Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open the leaderboard for the song and note the top score and percentage accuracy. Watch or download the top replay to study timing and Saber paths. Pause at tricky sections and map the exact notes that cause misses. Use a timer and mark patterns that repeat every 4 bars. Calculate the exact points you must beat to achieve the takedown. Knowing the score gap gives context for how much cleaner you must play. This analysis sets a focused practice plan for the rest of the session. Start with a steady 10-minute warm-up to get your shoulders ready. Do at least 50 full runs across several days to build consistency for the takedown. After each run, isolate weak sections and rehearse those patterns in practice mode. Use 50% speed to master timing, then return to full tempo for 3 successive full speed runs. Keep rest periods short and focused to maintain muscle memory without fatigue. Track improvement by noting score increases after each focused practice block. Set tracking and comfort settings to the exact configuration you trained with to avoid surprises. Confirm your headset runs at a stable refresh rate, for example 90 Hz, and disable any smoothing features. Do not use mods that invalidate leaderboards. Play a legitimate run and record a fresh replay for verification. Before attempting the takedown, warm up with 3 full-speed practice runs to prime accuracy. Upload the replay promptly after the run and announce your takedown attempt respectfully in the community. Respect rules and expect verification from moderators after submission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.